Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. Let's draw different types of cards and their special characteristics. We are going to analyze after drawing. So first we are going to draw the circles, two on the top. Then let's draw the basic shapes for the cards. We're connecting it at the bottom, then connecting two of those, making a rectangular box here, and on the top we're just putting it here like this. These two are going to be the window. So on the top we're just putting a roof, more thickness, awesome. And for the window we're just putting some colors, which is very soft blue. So this is a normal car. For the right one, let's draw the car first, then we're going to do the details. All right, then we're going to do the rooftop later. Okay, this is more thick, and on the top, we're going to put the siren, but before that one we're just putting a color here, and let's draw a number 911. All right, here you can see the ambulance or the siren, which is going to make sound. So this is a police car. Then below we're going to draw two more wheels. Okay, here two more wheels. Awesome. Then let's draw the detail connecting these two lines. All right, and going vertical. Okay, the rooftop, it's going to be a straight line here. Awesome. Connecting the last two portion. Okay, and this is going to be a straight line, and the windows coming up like this. So easily you can see that this is going to be a public bus. Let's put different color, like the green color we're going to put for the bottom. Okay, so next one, let's see what we can draw. So we're connecting the body to wheels and making it straight like this one, and coming up straight here, going up straight and connecting at the last end here, putting it, and the inclined things stops. All right, making the roof more thick. Let's put another line, but we're going to put some symbols here that's going to show that this is a ambulance or the medical emergency. Awesome. Let's put the color red here. Also putting red color here. Awesome. And this is going to be the graphical red for the body of the car. All right, so this is how you can see that this is going to be the ambulance. So you can see just a little bit different in styles, and this is going to be different types of vehicles. Let's put two more circle here, and two more here. All right, let's draw another types of vehicles, connecting here, connecting and going straight. In the middle we're just connecting here. Awesome. All right, and this is going to be the last to the end, and putting a thick line for the rooftop. Let's put the color blue for the bottom part. So you can easily tell that this is going to be a pickup. For the right side, let's draw few parts, and awesome, just putting it here. Okay, all right, so So we're going to draw a straight line, then another line is going to be here. Mhm. Connecting it. Okay, also putting the connection here. Awesome. This is going to be some graphics on the side. Also here some graphics on the side, you can see. Let's put the red color for the body. So definitely this looks like a truck for the fire service. Usually these types of drawings depends on the details, how much details we are going to draw, and that's define the characters of the vehicles. So that's a fire service truck. Let's draw two more wheels here. Okay, and another two here. All right, connecting it straight away. All right, and we're just putting it here. Okay, going the straight lines. Awesome. And here, just we're going to put a very thick roof here on top, increase the thickness, then putting the windows in a panel and making the color, orange. Awesome. We can mix it up with the yellow color, so increasing the depth. All right, so this is going to be a school bus actually. Awesome. And finally the last one, we're going to connect all these two and the rectangular straight lines. All right. And let's connect the rooftop with a thick line, putting a symbol on top and putting all the colors yellow. So usually this is defined for the color which is, the taxi cab, or the taxi is written on the side. So this is how all types of vehicles you can draw. So let's review for the whole stuff. The first one, this is going to be the, regular car. This one is going to be police car. This is going to be public bus. This is the ambulance, pickup, fire service truck, school bus, and a taxi. So this is how all these characteristics, you can see that there are some graphics on the sides and there are some variations on the shapes of the body of these vehicles, and this is defined for using different types of vehicles for different purposes. I hope you like the video. So many things to learn, to practice at home. See you in our next videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, stay with us. Have a good day.